First, we will place the latch into the hole, ensuring the screw hole is positioned at the bottom. The deadbolt is adjustable from 2 3/8 to 2 3/4, so adjust it according to your door's measurements. Once properly positioned, attach the latch using the provided screws. Now, we will attach the side of the deadbolt that has the tailpiece, assembling it with the cylinder and backplate. Ensure the tailpiece is horizontal, then insert it into the latch crank. Adjust the pieces if necessary. Now we will attach the interior piece, aligning it with the exterior components. Partially fasten the screws to hold everything in place, allowing room for final adjustments. Once everything is properly aligned, fully tighten the screws to secure the lock. Lastly, test the mechanism to ensure smooth operation, and that's it. Your deadbolt is now installed.